The new legislation coming in is so exciting, and I think as South Australians we should be incredibly proud that we're the first state to actually be doing this and embrace it. It again puts us at the forefront of being, within the technological sector, but also now being within the sustainability sector. Can't say how happy I am about it. It's brilliant. Should have happened years ago.
I'm excited about the new rules. I think it is well and truly time that human beings stop all this plastic waste. I am concerned of how this might impact disabled people and people who have trouble swallowing. Because that straw can mean everything. And I'm worried that people can be shut out from society.
We have quite a few customers that have special needs. We're close to Minda and close to Kapara, so we have a combination of the elderly and others with certain disabilities. And to be honest, we haven't found any issues with any of those customers.
I visit cafes quite often. Coffee is important. And I like to adventure around different places and drink properly without choking too much. I know it seems like a little thing to a lot of people, but to those of us who have trouble swallowing, a straw can make a huge amount of difference. And just having that knowledge, that safety, that there is something there to help makes all the difference.
Some of those who do have a struggle with a paper straw, we generally find they bring their own, the soft silicone, or if it's been a case where they haven't been able to use a paper straw, we can provide an alternative by ways of a bamboo straw, for example, and we let them take it home. So for us, it hasn't really been too much of an issue, but we certainly will try and accommodate wherever we can with a sustainable option.
I do try to bring my own straws. I often have one in my bag with me because I've always been pretty green, I guess you could say. I do like to reuse, recycle, be sustainable, and I understand that the human beings need to stop all this plastic waste. But I can see the duality that there is a flip side, specifically for disabled people like myself and people who have trouble swallowing, or that we can use that straw to help us ingest fluid properly without having issues. If something happened and I did forget my straw, or I didn't have one with me and the opportunity arose, I wouldn't be afraid to ask for one. I know it can be confronting and it's not really what you want to do, but how often have we all gone shopping and realised we forgot to bring our bags with us? It happens. And so asking for what you need is perfectly reasonable, and I don't have an issue doing it.
The exemptions for the businesses within South Australia really don't mean too much to us. For the last 8.5 years, I've never stocked plastic straws. We've always found an alternative on the very rare occasions that we have been required to do so for health and disability customers. We will always try and work through a resolution for our customers. They come first, but we've just never had to actually do it. There's always been a suitable alternative that's been within our ethos, which is to be as sustainable and as less impact on the earth as possible.
Just knowing that you can smoothly go into a place and get your coffee and be okay and safe. It's good.